Next, if you want to split this fraction into partial fractions, so in the denominator you have two linears and one quadratic. So the partial fractions will be a by x minus 5 plus b by x minus 4 plus corresponding to this quadratic factor. So you need cx plus d. You need a linear in the numerator. So now you need to find a, b, c and d. It's not very easy because you have 4 numbers now. So if you do the LCM and create the equations, you have 4 equations. You have to solve for 4 unknowns. So now what we do is, instead of doing that, let us use the shortcut. The shortcut says that whenever you have a linear factor, the corresponding unknown is very easy to find. For example, let us try to find b. So what I do is x minus 5 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 5. So put x equal to 5 in the given fraction, neglecting this x minus 5 term. So a is equal to 2 into 5, 10 minus 5 is 5 divided by 5 minus 4 is 1 into 5 square plus 5 plus 1. 25 plus 5 plus 1 is 31. So that is equal to 5 by 31. Next, if you want b, you just need to put x is equal to 4, neglecting this x minus 4. So if you put x equal to 4, 2 into 4 is 8, minus 5 is 3, divided by 4 minus 5 is minus 1. You neglect this x minus 4 term and put x equal to 4 here. 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1 is 21. It is minus 3 by 21. So you already got the values of a and b, and there is no shortcut to find c and d. C and D have to be directly found out using the LCM method. So the shortcut is there for the corresponding unknowns of the linear factors. So this is the first shortcut that you need to master.